In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Power BI 2025 full tutorial, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have your Asana project data flowing directly into Power BI, ready for analysis and reporting. First, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. Sign in by entering your email address, clicking Continue, then entering your password and selecting Login. Make sure you're using an account that has access to the projects or portfolios you plan to analyze. Once you land on your Asana homepage, open the specific project you want to report on. Inside the project, look to the top right and open the Customize panel. In that panel, switch to the Apps section and choose Add. From the list of available integrations, select Power BI. If you see a Learn More option, click it to review what the integration does, then proceed by selecting Install Power BI for Asana. If your workspace requires admin approval, you might need an admin to allow the app before continuing. Now move over to your computer and open Power BI Desktop. On the home ribbon, click Get Data. In the Get Data window, scroll to the Online Services category, find Asana, and click Connect. If you don't see Asana listed, update Power BI Desktop to the latest version and try again. Power BI will prompt you for the Asana URL you want to analyze. This is the direct link to the team or portfolio in Asana. The easiest way to grab it is to navigate to that team or portfolio in your browser and copy the URL from the address bar, then paste it into the prompt in Power BI. Be sure you're using a URL you actually have access to, otherwise the connector won't be able to retrieve data. After you enter the URL, Power BI may ask you to sign into Asana to grant permission. Use the same Asana account you logged in with earlier. Once authenticated, Power BI will connect and present you with a navigator window where your Asana data becomes available. From here, you can load the data directly or choose transform data if you want to clean or shape it first. A few quick tips as you finish up. Ensure your Asana permissions cover all projects you want to report on. Confirm the correct team or portfolio URL if nothing appears, and remember that large workspaces can take a moment to load. That's it. Your Asana project is now connected to Power BI and ready for analysis.